Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up exponential moving averages on Thinkorswim. First, open any chart on the platform. Look for the Studies icon, which resembles a small beaker or flask, usually found near the top right of your chart. Click on this icon, then choose Add Study from the menu that appears. In the search bar, type exponential moving average and select it to add it to your chart. Once your EMA is on the chart, you'll want to customize it. Click the small gear icon right next to the exponential moving average in your Edit Studies window. Here, you can modify the length parameter. Common choices are 9, 21, or 50 periods. You can also change the line's color, increase its weight for better visibility, or even alter its style to dashed or dotted. Many traders use multiple exponential moving averages simultaneously. To add another, simply repeat the initial process. Click the Studies icon, then Add Study, and search for exponential moving average again. Once added, customize its length to a different period, perhaps 50 or 200. Remember to select a distinct color for each EMA so you can easily tell them apart on your chart. To avoid reconfiguring your exponential moving averages every time, save your setup. In the Edit Studies window, locate and click the Save Study Set button. Give your new study set a clear, descriptive name like My EMA Strategy. Now, you can quickly apply this entire configuration to any chart in the future, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistency across your analysis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.